And welcome, my friends. All right, today in this tutorial, we're going to talk about how do I create a new playlist, how do I delete a playlist, how do I copy, and how do I share. So right away, when you're in the playlist management page, you can see we have this button right here that says new playlist. So if I simply click on that button, this is where I can sort of provide a name. So I'll just kind of keep it generic. I'll hit my playlist and then I'll hit continue. All right, and this brings you into a page where you're about to add content. And really the important thing here to kind of call out is we have schedule content and add separated in two buttons. Really the point of this is that, there are some clients here that you're just trying to get content into a playlist right away. And again, a lot of you have a lot of responsibilities, right? You have multiple things you need to do. And maybe you're just logging in and you're like, oh, I just want to get this added and I'll just kind of come back and add scheduling to it. This is where you would want to utilize the add button. So again, anything you do here, that asset's going to run 24/7. If you're looking to schedule it out where it is, time sensitive, that's where you're going to do the schedule content. You'll select media library or again, a video URL. And this is what we're all very, very familiar with, where I hit media library, the media library modal shows up. I select my asset or assets, right? Whether it's one or multiple. And then I go through the scheduling process. When do you want to run? How long? That's what this guy is going to do. I can simply click into here as well and then grab a single asset as well. So again, another call out here, just for the initial launch, the playlist can only accept PNG and JPEGs. If you have a PowerPoint or, a document file like a PDF or a video, as of right now, you will need to go to the media library first. You'll upload that content and then you will come back to the playlist. We are going to fix that, by the way. We want to really eliminate what I just described to you. We do not want users having to go to the media library to upload anything or create anything and then have to go to the playlist. However, there is some more work that needs to be done in order to, streamline that is what I would say. So call out here, when you are in the playlist, as of right now, PNG and JPEGs are the only things that you can upload and will get added instantly to a playlist. If you have other document files, please go to the media library first to upload that. Again, we will be changing that though. All right, so I have created my playlist. Here it is, my playlist, or I should say you and I created it. There's a couple things I can do, right? So first off, as I hover over, I'm getting this ellipse menu or some sort of menu here. And this is where I can delete it, right? I can delete that single playlist or I can share it. And again, everyone's organization facility is just designed a little bit different, but if you wanted to share it, you essentially could. Another way to delete it is if I select it, I get this drop down. And this is where it's telling me like, hey, you know what, Michelle, you've selected one and I can delete it here, right? Or I get this nice little modal like, hey, you sure you want to delete it? Or I can duplicate it, right? Or again, quote unquote, copy it. So this button is going to copy this playlist and the total assets into the facility you are currently in. So those are sort of the actions or some of the capabilities I wanted to show you today. If you guys have any questions, any concerns, obviously, please reach out. Otherwise, enjoy the day ahead of you. Thank you.